To stay ahead in your businesses, you need to know what your competitors are doing. Here's a simple way to get started. First point, list your competitors. Search online for businesses or similar to yours. Visit their websites, social media pages, and even their physical stores if possible. Second point, observe their strategies. Look at what products they are selling, how they are pricing them, and what promotions they are running. For example, if a competitor's social media posts are getting a lot of likes, study their content to see what's working. Third point, identify gaps. Is there something they are not offering that you can? For instance, if your competitors sell machinery but don't provide after-sale service, that could be your unique selling point. I would like to give you a quick tip. Use tools like SimilarWeb or SEMrush to analyze their online performance. For example, if a competitor's website gets a lot of traffic from YouTube, it might be worth investing in video content for your business too. Do you know who your top competitors are? Let me know in the comments and I will share tips on how to stand out from them. Till then, take care and don't forget to like, share and subscribe.